Okay, so we're at Ao Nang. It's about sunset time, 6 p.m.-ish or something like that. So we're just gonna show you what this main area of Ao Nang looks like. And there's basically a strip of commercial things. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Things like where to buy your swimsuits, your food, your bars, your nightlife. It's all on one side, and then on this side is the beach and stuff. So I think later it should be quite a bit livelier. And it's almost picture perfect right now. So this particular stretch follows the water, and then the road kind of goes both sides. It goes up inland a little bit. Let's see. So I think this spot right here is center point. Looks like it has about 10 bars inside of it. I heard that this is a kind of a loud stretch in the evening, so I don't know if that's true or not, but I suppose we'll see later. You can also see some limestone cliffs up here, actually all the way around us, so you can see them also straight ahead. Pretty much everywhere around here, so I think this is why people come here. And then when you look in through the camera right here, you can see the beauty of that very clearly. I'm not sure the water quality. I looked at the water earlier, and it didn't really strike me one way or the other. Like, it's definitely clean compared to most places for sure, but it's not like island transparent that I can tell. But like sometimes in the Philippines or certain places you can walk out in the water and you can see your feet for way longer than you would think. Might be. Now, granted, I just arrived a couple hours ago, so I think the heat of the day, the lighting could be in all kinds of different ways, you know. So here we go. Look at these guys. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. I think there's more bars over here. I saw a bunch of bars. So I think this whole strip is gonna be filled with bars later tonight. There's the other one right down this way, and then there's this one right here. So we're just gonna keep on exploring. And the sun's gonna start going down now, so we'll get the sunset. So we'll try to film part of the sunset. And actually you can start to see some of these lights are coming on already. Just starting. So we'll see if we can capture some of those too. But yeah, pretty quaint little space. There's more bars back there too, I think. So, okay. have noticed a few chains. There's McDonald's and a couple Burger Kings and a Subway restaurant. So the chains are here. And already it's starting to feel like this is going to keep getting more and more developed all the time. So before you know it, it'll look like Waikiki Beach. Pretty cool looking trees too. Some of these trees are pretty low hanging, like that one looks really cool. Yeah, look at that tree. That tree looks cool. Look at that. Tree looks cool. And then you take this road up and it goes up into some more commercial stuff. And earlier I was able to walk down this way, and let's walk down a little bit right now. Let's walk towards the water. I think this water is okay. The water's kind of going out a little bit. Okay, so you got some limestone trees. Just kind of go all the way around. So yeah, that's the main stretch of Ao Nang. So basically I just went all the way down this way and I walked down this road and I came down this way. So basically this is Ao Nang. Chiquinha, chiquinha.